Welcome to my house tour. Hello everybody and welcome to the second episode of the Adult Diaries. I should turn off this fan. Hello everybody, welcome to my house tour. This is about probably as finished my house is gonna get for a while. It's not super decorated, given that I don't have a bunch of money to decorate it, but there's stuff places still, there's still stuff. So I'm gonna show you around. Also, fun fact for you, I obviously do not have a camera person, and I'm carrying around a giant ring light tripod thing. Okay, this is where you came in. This is the front door. We have standard coat things. There's a room. Over here is my filming room, and over here is the living room. Okay, so in here we have what is apparently called a sectional, which for me, I guess, means I have this big sofa, and I have two little chair things and an ottoman. I got them for free. Someone nearby was so very kind and was giving them away for free. This is the screen for my projector. My projector is right there. Can you hear my speaker buzzing? Maybe. Sometimes I watch shows on here, but I don't watch much TV, so I mostly just play my Nintendo Switch. These are all my friends. This fireplace is not usable, and so that's why there's stuffed animals in front of it, not because I'm cruel and going to burn them. Watch this. This is Stella. That one's Milo. This is where all my cross-stitching stuff goes, and sadly, my little Lego flower that I made is broken, but that is okay. And then, fancy spin, we have all this stuff over here. These are pipe cleaner flowers that I made a while ago. These are random things. This is a fan, and this is my box for my projector, just in case. And down here is like random stuff, my VR and blankets and photo albums, I don't know. And then, star of the show, my dinosaur beanbag. I waited so long to get this. This is from Target. It was $80. And I looked at it for months and months and months before I moved out, and it never was sold. It was the only one there. At least the only one on the shelf. And I told myself, if it goes on sale, I'll buy it, or if I move out. And I moved out first. So now I have this. Oh, this is my new shirt. Beware. If you know, you know. To the side here, we have my little dining room. There's garbage there that I need to take out, because I do not have a garbage can, so I have to take it elsewhere. It's so dark. There's not very good lighting anywhere here. Garbage, table, groceries, and I've got this cute, trapezoid door. Then if you come this way, dun, 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 it's my kitchen. This is my very currently dirty sink because I was baking today. Snickerdoodle cookies. Camera's off the tripod. So, we've got dishes here, baking stuff. Snacks are in those drawers, bowls, I don't know, cleaning stuff, and my sink. And over here, we have all my wonderful, wonderful cups. And my cabinets they have these weird, foggy, bubbly glass stuff. I don't know. Over here, my cookies. This is my newfound invention. Not invention. This is my new thing that I bought. It's called a Zevo. It's supposed to help with bugs, I guess. Do you think there's any bugs in it already? No. I hear ducks. And this is my fridge with all these beautiful butterflies that I made. And from the top of my sink, you can see my backyard. Very pretty. I don't ever go in my backyard. There's just stuff back there. Over here, we have a pantry, but there's kind of nothing in here, honestly. And this is the dining room, but We have this really long, scary hallway. So, and there's no lights in this hallway. Very fun, right? Over here, we've got a bathroom, pretty sink, very pretty bathtub that I have not taken a bath in, sadly. There's actually a dead spider in there. So, you know, spooky. And a shower that I also don't use because I have a different one in my own bedroom. Hi there. Across the hallway here, we have this room, my absolute pride and joy. My filming room. I've got this like huge L-shaped desk now, and I've got drawers and my kind of back DIY backdrop thing. And I've got my computer here, and this is like craft stuff, and my 3D printer and my Lego guy. Very pretty view to my front yard. Hi again, lots of windows. But this is where I'm filming, if you guys are ever wondering. Garbage, random stuff. Very cute, very fun. Skull pandas, very fun. Now, if we continue down the hallway, there's a bedroom here. This is an old mattress of mine. This is stuff that was left here. And this is like kind of random stuff of mine. It's like memory stuff. And over here are just random boxes because I feel like I should keep them. But weirdly enough, this room, so the ceiling goes into the hallway. It doesn't, my phone's at 1%. Okay, well now it's even darker because it's nighttime because my phone died. Did I share this room? What's interesting about this room is that the ceiling goes into the hallway. Like it's one, great lighting. Like it's one ceiling. Across the hall once again. This is another bedroom. I think this is probably the third time I've opened this door since I moved here. Because this room is dark and stays dark because the blinds are broken. And I am confident that there's a murderer. However, clearly not because I'm in here and alive. Closet, there's literally nothing here. It's just another closet. There's nothing in here. This room's really scary. Okay, you literally can't see it. Oh, you kind of can. There's like all these really pretty shelves in the hallway here, and they have stuffed animals on them because once again, I don't have any decorations. Now, we're at the end of the hallway after going through all that, and here is my laundry room. These clothes have stains on them. And there's laundry detergent and a washer and a dryer. And there's all these closets on the walls that also have nothing in them. And there's a garage here that I don't have anything in. Utility room, bedroom. Light switches that don't turn anything on. So that's really cool. But instead, of course, the light turns on over here. And in this entire bedroom, one light bulb. I'm living in luxury, people. Fireplace here, once again, doesn't work. And we have my bed over here and my very luxurious nightstand, courtesy of H&M. And my other very luxurious side table thing. And my camera that's hanging on the wall. Bed, right? I have a chair in here because I've been taking those pictures that I'm using for this video, actually, for the sprites. Hi. And my wonderful, wonderful window seat that doesn't even look cool right now because it's nighttime. But there's some really pretty bushes and stuff out there, and you can see the sun right out there and whatnot. It's really pretty. And bathroom. My curtains, because there's no curtains on this window, and I wanted curtains. Toilet, wall, shower, really big shower actually. And this is my sinks. Take a moment for the makeup. Very cute. Got my skincare fridge, hair stuff. Not very exciting. And then my closet. I love my closet. Here we have like all my stuff that needs to hang up in rainbow order. We've got shoes, socks, bags, jackets and cardigans and stuff, dresses, a mirror, and this is my dresser. These, I I'm still deciding if I'm keeping them. Perfumes here in the middle. This is like after shower care mostly, plus like deodorant and some hair stuff that I use. Peach rings for motivation, I suppose. And a pile of dirty laundry. Nice. That is all. Didn't I end my last video in there? That's funny. I think I ended my last video in there wearing this exact same outfit. Good, good. That is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this isn't a very super exciting video. I just needed a little bit to get my more like structured videos underway. But my next two are, I'm very excited about. I mean, I was excited about this one, I was excited about the one before, but my next two are a lot more structured and I have been putting a lot more time into getting things ready for them. Things that you will not realize that took me a lot of time. So, you know, we will see. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. If you have any thoughts, I read every single comment that I get. And if you liked the video, go ahead and leave me a like so I know. And if not, I hope that you will give me another try next week and come back and watch another video. And that was all for me today. I'll see you next week. Goodbye. Nobody ever drives by. And I swear, if somebody drives by the second I put this outside my door to film this intro, I'm gonna crash out. I'm not doing another take. My house is so dark. But thank you so much.